Term 1. Maps and our place in the world. Hello everyone. Welcome to our geography class. This term, we're learning about maps and where we live in the big world. Are you ready to explore the Earth? Let's go. What is a map? A map is a drawing that shows places on Earth from above, like looking down from an airplane. Duh. We use maps to find countries, cities, rivers, and even roads. If you had a map, could you find where you live? World map? The Earth has 7 continents: Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. And it has 5 oceans: the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic, and Southern Ocean. We live in Africa, and our country is South Africa. Directions: north, east, south, west. We use directions to find places. The main directions are north, east, south, and west. Let's remember them with a fun saying. Never eat silly worms. North, east, south, west. Do you know your directions? Symbols and keys. Maps use symbols to show different things. A little blue line can be a river, a brown triangle can be a mountain, and a black line can be a road. The map key tells us what each symbol means. You've learned so much! Maps help us know where we are and how to get somewhere else. Next, we'll explore the land, mountains, rivers, and more. Physical features of South Africa. Visual of South African mountains and rivers. Narrator. Welcome back, explorers. This term, we'll look at the natural features of South Africa, the things made by nature, not by people. O Mountains. Rivers and valleys. Drakensberg Mountains. Orange River, rolling valleys. South Africa has tall mountains like the Drakensberg, wide rivers like the Orange River, and deep valleys where rivers flow. These are all part of our country's shape called landforms. Plains, plateaus, and deserts. Flat grasslands, high plateaus, Kalahari Desert. Some parts of South Africa are flat and are called plains. Some are high and flat, those are plateaus. And some are dry and sandy, like the Kalahari Desert. Climate and vegetation, green forests, dry karoo shrubs, coastal beaches. Different places have different climates. That means the kind of weather they usually get. Where it's wet, we see green trees and grass. Where it's dry, we see small bushes. That's called vegetation, the plants that grow in an area. Do you know the difference of your environment? Is this place wet or dry? Is it a mountain or a plain? South Africa's land is full of beauty, from high mountains to sandy deserts. Next, we'll learn what happens in the sky, the weather, and climate. Sunny, rainy, and windy days. Hello again, friends. This term is all about weather, what we see and feel every day. What is weather? Sun, clouds, rain falling. Weather changes every day. It can be sunny, cloudy, windy, or rainy. When we talk about weather, we talk about what's happening now. What is climate? Hot, cold, wet, and dry places. Climate means the kind of weather a place usually has. For example, the desert is always hot and dry. The mountains can be cool and rainy. South Africa has many kinds of climates. The coast is warm, the karoo is dry, and the mountains can be cold. Measuring weather, thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane, weather chart. We can measure weather using tools. Thermometer for temperature, reingauge for rainfall, vindvane for wind direction. Activity idea. Make a rain gauge from a plastic bottle and measure rain for a week. Seasons. Spring flowers, summer sun, autumn leaves, winter snow. There are 4 seasons. Spring, flowers grow. Summer, it's hot. Autumn, leaves fall, tear. Winter, it's cold. Each season has its own special weather. Weather is always changing, and that's what makes our world exciting. Next term, we'll learn about people and the environment. People and the environment, cities, farms, forests. Welcome to our last term. We're learning how people live and how we can look after our planet. Types of places, busy city streets, quiet countryside. People live in 2 main kinds of places: Urban areas, towns and cities where there are lots of buildings, rural areas, farms and countryside where there's more open space. How people use the land. Farms, factories, mines, homes. People use the land for many things. To build homes, grow food, make products, and find minerals. But we must take care of the land while we use it. Caring for the environment, children recycling, planting trees, saving water. Our earth needs care. We can help by recycling, not littering, planting trees, saving water. When we care for the planet, we make it safe and beautiful for everyone. We did it! We learned about maps, land, weather, and how people live on Earth. Geography helps us understand our world and teaches us to be kind to the planet. Keep exploring, keep learning, and always be a world protector.